Hello guys, welcome to my channel. What is cryptocurrency? Crypto investing involves buying and holding digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other cryptocurrencies with the expectation that their value will increase over time. Investors speculate on the potential for these assets to appreciate, driven by factors such as adoption, technology, and market demand. It's a highly volatile and speculative market, with the potential for significant gains but also substantial losses. Investors should research, understand the risks, and consider their financial goals before participating. It's essential to choose reputable exchanges and wallets for security, as cryptocurrencies are susceptible to hacks. Diversifying a portfolio and not investing more than one can afford to lose is wise. Moreover, staying updated on market trends and regulations is crucial in this rapidly evolving space. Cryptocurrency investing can be an exciting opportunity, but it's not without risks, so cautious and informed decision making is key. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.